Hello students, today we are going to start with our next topic, snail. So for making snail, we need material, craft paper, scissor, glue. Okay, we will start our first step. See here, you have to take the one craft paper, turn it and fold the page in a triangle. So opposite corner we have to be fold in form triangle. Match corner to corner properly, press it properly. After folding, we have to fold again second time, small triangle. 2 times we have to fold, okay? And press it well. Now after folding, open. So here we got the 2 guideline in a cross. First you have to take the craft paper, fold the page in a triangle. Again you have to fold in a triangle and open. We complete here our first step. Done everyone up till here? Now we have to use this center guideline and this opposite corner, see this side, right side. We have to fold up till the center point. Up till the center point. Press it well. Same on the another side. We have to fold it up till the center point. And again you have to press it properly. Okay. See here. Like this we have to fold up till the center point. We completed here up till and second step we have to done. Now we have to go for the further third step. Now we have to fold upper flap down. Upper flap down. We have already the middle guideline. So just you have to fold it in a half. Upper page we have to fold down. Match corner again properly and press it well. We have already the guideline. Done. See here. Upper page we have to fold it down and match this corner to corner. Now from here pay attention properly. Fourth one step. We have see this guideline, center guideline. See here this center guideline. Yes. Now this right side we have to fold it here. Yes. After open upper flap outward. See properly here. After folding this upper flap, you have to fold this outward like this way. And while folding, take care this color part and white part guideline center should be come in a one line. Yes, press it well. Done here up till. Do the same on another side. So for to do we have to fold this and we have to this we have to complete just to turn it and we have to open this also. See here. Now we have to open this one portion. I will show you again. See here, if you not understood. We fold up till here, see this here. This we fold. This we fold in a half. Yes. After this upper flap we have to open it here like this way. Yes. Same on another side. So we have to turn it. And we have to open this. Done. Now see color part is upper side, white portion is down side. Now left side we have to fold on right side. See the left upper page only, upper page we have to fold. Yes, do the same on another side, same. So turn it again, left side we have to fold on right side. Already we have the guideline. Yes, see here, now our page is looking like this. Yes, now we have to just open side, we have to fold it down. See, open side I kept it down side. After this, up till this center guideline, we have to fold in a triangle, upper page, upper flap. You have to fold in a triangle. Same here, another side. Up till the center line, not to overlap the paper. Done. Again this fold only we have to do on opposite side. So turn it back. Again we have to fold right side and left side up till the center guideline. Now completing after this, you have to go another step. Just take care now. Again this half white color triangle we have to fold what I done, this half page where fold. Same I will do on another side. So again I will turn it the page, and again from this left side I will turn on right side. Okay, after this, now pay attention, this gap you see here, just I will fold like this way inside. Same I will do this side. Now do this upper portion, fold it down like a bird beak. Yes, fold it down, close this and fold again up. Yes, what I done, see again. First of all, I've turned this page little bit down like a bird beak. Yes, then I close this, and after this like a bird beak, you look like a bird beak, see here. Yes, now this only I will turn it upside, little fold. See here. Now what to do, you have to use the scissor and give little cut of this center. Here we completed the snail. In your middle page of your craft book, there is an outline given of snail. There you are going to stick your snail.